Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. I am fine.
Very nice. Now, children, today we are going to do a very interesting work. Are you all aware of your syllabus that is coming in your GK? Are you all aware of the chapters that you'll be having in the finals? Okay.
Yes,
Just tell me which are.
ma'am. Ma'am, world around us, problem solving, and test papers all.
Very nice. Wonderful. So we have 3 units coming in the final.
Problem solving skills and test papers.
Yes, we have 3 units, that is the test paper, problem solving skills, and the world around us. Okay, so when I say the world around us, the world has many countries, right? There are so many countries in this world. So what we are going to do is we are going to do a little drawing work, artwork related to the world around us. Now what you have to do, you have to draw different flags of countries. So how are you going
Please
to
tell
do
me
that?
page number.
Be quiet and listen to me first. How are you going to draw these flags? I am going to share a screen with you. Everybody go and get your drawing copies. Do you have an art file at your place? Do you have?
Yes, ma'am. We have.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, I can use A4 sheet.
Yes, you can also use A4 size sheet. Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, children. See, those who have joined late, I'm telling you once again, we are going to.
Ma'am, I didn't have art sheet.
What?
Ma'am, I didn't have art book or art sheet.
I don't have an art sheet. So what you can do, you can draw it on a paper, a normal paper. If you don't,
I also want to read pages from this book. Ma'am, which page number?
does it have a plain paper, Rishika?
Yes, ma'am. It is not.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful, beta. Yes, Manya, very good. Everybody is showing me their art files. Very nice. So you can just take a plain paper. Very good, Yashmit.
Ma'am, see my A4 size sheet.
Very good, Ashray.
Ma'am,
Very
please
nice.
see my drawing on National Interjection Day.
So, wow, that's so lovely. Ansh, you are an artist, huh?
Yes,
You draw so well. Very nice.
my mother is an artist, but she has never drawn in a while.
Wow, Rishika, that's amazing. Your mother is an artist?
Drew something in a while.
I am using drawing.
Very good, amazing. You
Ma'am, but she doesn't do art anymore.
okay, so she is doing something else in life. That's very nice. Okay, now children, I'm going to share a screen with you. We've got 2 periods today, right? Don't be in a hurry to just draw and do it dirtily. You have to do it in a very neat and clean way. We are using both our
Ma'am, we have
classes.
to color.
Yes, just wait. Don't just start doing it.
My scissor also.
Okay, beta. Don't start doing it yourself. First, let me show you what you have to do. I'm going to share a screen with you. Okay? So you exactly have to do it. You exactly have to do it like that. All right. Now just wait for a while.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, if our work will not complete, you will share the screen in the next period.
Yes. In the next period also, I'll share screen with you. Now see. We've got so many flags over here. Can you see?
Ma'am, please see my drawing. Yes, clearly. Yes,
Wow. Who was showing me Ganesha? Yuvraj Gupta. That's beautiful. Wonderful work.
Sure, but this hanging on the wall. Can I show it to you? The
Yes,
screen is
better
not
show it.
clear. And we have to blurry. Make all the flags.
Oh,
Ma'am,
wonderful, wonderful. Gupta.
can you see
Very nice.
Ganesha book?
Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, we have to make all the flags. Is blurred.
What is blurred? This drawing is blurred.
Ma'am, I have made few flags.
Wow, that's also very nice. You people have got so much to show me. Wonderful.
I even made the India flag.
Very nice. Now, beta, is the screen fine? I hope it is not blurred now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to make all the flags.
Okay, make as many flags as you can in 2 periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 20 flags given. So you can draw any 10. Okay, draw any 10 flags. Fine. But you have to draw it very nicely. Use your scale, use your ruler to draw the outline. It should not be dirty. Fine. Everybody start doing now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, beta. Children, those who have just joined, what you have to do is, see, I have shared a screen with you. You have to draw any 10 flags in your art sheet. Take an art sheet and draw any 10 flags out of these 20 flags.
I'm only 10.
Yes, draw any 10.
Because
And if you want to draw more, you can draw more than 10 flags.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Now I'll see who draws the best in the class. Who has got the best drawing in the class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, can you see the screen that is being shared?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have 20 flags on the screen. Out of these 20 flags, you have to draw any 10 flags of your choice in an art sheet. And if you don't have an art sheet, then you can take your copy, you can take a paper from the copy, or you can take a, this thing, A4 size sheet, anything. On a blank paper, you have to draw it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to draw how we.
You have to draw what?
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
make
how
full 21
many
stars.
Beta, you have to make any 10 flags out of these 20 flags. If you want to draw more, you can draw more.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
color them also.
Can I find Smriti and Palak downstairs or upstairs?
No, ma'am, no idea. Yes, beta, say it once again.
Ma'am,
we
in
have to
USA's flag, we have to make full 21 stars.
In which flag?
Ma'am, United States of
Ma'am,
America.
United States of America.
Yes, beta. Just try to draw all of it. Try to draw it the way it is.
Ma'am, we have to color. Ma'am, we have to color this also.
Yes, definitely. You have to
Ma'am, I
color it
made.
also.
Then those are little light dots.
Yes. Now be
Ma'am,
quiet
I
and
made
do the work.
full 21 stars.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the topic?
Just
ma'am, you
write.
can tell
Just write flags.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can tell our national flag. After this flag, there was
I
the
don't
name of the.
I don't understand beta what you are saying.
Ma'am, after our flag, there was a last. In first line, last flag, there was red and white color.
Red and is it Canada? You can't see
Yes,
it.
ma'am. It is.
Okay. Can you not see it? Now can you see it?
No, ma'am, I can see it, but I cannot see the name.
Okay. No, that is Indonesia. That is Indonesia. Canada's flag is with a maple leaf.
Ma'am, that is Japan. A red dot and a white is Japan.
Yes, that's Japan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to write names also.
Definitely, beta. You have to write it, no? You have to label it. Which flag belongs to which country?
Ma'am, we have to draw. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to draw.
You have to draw, you have to color, you have to label, you have to do.
South Africa. Ma'am. Ma'am. We should write also names. I try to draw Saudi Africa. Ma'am, I cannot draw Saudi.
Don't draw it, beta. Don't draw it. Draw some other. I told you no to draw any other flag. Draw any 10 flags. The one that you find can be drawn easily. Draw those. And those whose drawing is good can draw as many flags as they want.
Sorry, ma'am, I am late because there is some connection problem. Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, see, I have shared a screen. Can you see the flags?
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
so many different flags. So out of these 20 flags, you have to draw, color and label any 10 flags on a drawing sheet. If you don't have a drawing sheet, do it on a blank paper.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which timetable you have sent? We will use the timetable when we come in school.
No, not then. You have to use it right now in this week. This is this week's timetable. Next week, you will be given a new timetable.
Ma'am, I have made the 4 flags: India, France, Brazil, and Japan.
Good, beta, good. Draw more.
Ma'am, I made France. Ma'am, I have made France.
You have made what?
Ma'am, I have made France.
Can't understand.
The flag of United States of America. No, ma'am, it is France. Ma'am, France.
France.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, see my flag.
Ma'am, Canada.
Ma'am, I have made France.
Beta, please don't show me in between. Just complete your work and then show me the whole chart paper. Don't show me one by one.
Ma'am, I have made France.
You have made what? Very nice.
Ma'am, I have
Very good, beta.
France.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, we have to write a game also.
Yes.
आपने सारा पानी खींच लिया, मैं नहा नहीं पाया।
Beta, mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Then what we have to do?
Beta, you have to draw any 10 flags. You have to color them. You have to write their country names. And you can draw any 10 flags out of these 20 flags.
Ma'am, we can.
Ma'am, I made full 8 flags.
Very nice. Very good, Beta. Very nice. If you want, you can make more than 20.
Mom, I have made Italian.
Very good, Beta. Very good. Just draw all and then show me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have underlined the sketches.
Who is unmuting himself?
Sorry, ma'am. I did not know my mic was unmuted.
What you didn't know?
I didn't know my mic was unmuted.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I made full 10. Now I am going to color it them.
Very good, beta.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of South Korea? I can't.
What is the spelling of?
South Korea.
South Korea.
Yes, ma'am.
Southkorea.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, after this period is over, there was also a break.
No, there is no break, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is first one?
Beta, the first one is, just wait. United States of America.
Ma'am, what is that circle in Argentina?
There is no circle, there is one small sun.
Yes, there's a small sun.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have made Japan, Russia, Indonesia, and Argentina.
Okay, very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I make 6 flags. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, we can also outline. We can, ma'am, also outline with black sketch pen.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have drawn United States of America, Indonesia, Japan, Turkey, and India.
Very good, beta. Very nice.
Ma'am, I made 8 flags. That name is India, Russia, Indonesia, Japan, Pakistan, United States of America, Canada, and Australia. Ma'am, I made 10 flags. India, United States of America,
Okay,
China.
very nice, beta. Very nice. All of you, please don't tell what countries you have made. Just do your work. Okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, which flag is this?
Which one, beta? I can't see. Which one are you saying?
Ma'am, the second last. Ma'am, the last line.
Ma'am, journey.
Oh, Germany. This is Germany, beta.
ma'am, please see how it is.
Very nice, Shaure. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, very sure. Wow.
Thanks.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am?
beta. Yes, beta.
3 flags.
Wow. Lovely work. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many stars are in European Union?
What?
Ma'am, how many stars are there in European
Ma'am, please see my flags.
Union?
Ma'am, we have to draw these.
Very nice, beta. Very nice. Now, children, the class is about to get over. You will be continuing this work in the last period also.
Ma'am, please see my flags.
Show, beta, show. Bring it in front of the camera.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have colored.
Okay, Anmol Singh, very good work, beta. But when you will color it,
please
then it will become clear.
Ma'am, please see my flag. Okay, ma'am.
Very nice work. Wonderful work, children. Wonderful work. Very good. I didn't know you people are so good at drawing.
Ma'am, please see my flags.
Very good work. Very nice. All right, children, I'll end the class here because it's time for your next class now.
Ma'am, please see my flag.
Very good. Very nice, Dhruv. Wonderful.
Good morning, ma'am.